So guys, let's quickly see our Euro USD for the day. As we can see on our Euro, we are actually dropping, right? We're actually on a downward trend on our daily time frame. But about yesterday, we actually had a bullish move, which was on the 13th. And now for the 14th, our price has actually opened bearish and will likely to move down on our Euro USD. But do not forget, if we can possibly have a bullish move again. Let's see it by the way on our 1 hour time frame. As we can see on our 1 hour time frame, right, this was where our price was rejecting here. We can see that our price came here, it pushes up, it came here, it pushes up. There's, as our price is actually coming again, there's every possibility once it touches our lows here, it pushes up again, giving us that daily making our time frame or our daily candlestick to have this large wick. There's every possibility we would have that large wick, as our price is falling on the downward. When it gets to the lowest, there's every possibility it can push us up. So that is why I want you to watch. So to actually take our sell position as we would want to be taking, we would want to sell our Euro USD. We would want our price to break below our support line on our 1 hour time frame. Once our price breaks below our support line on our 1 hour time frame, then we can now say we are on a downward trend. If not, there's every possibility we might continue to be ranging again on this our 1 hour time frame. As our price falls below, it can push up again. So we should actually be watching. Above all, on the daily time frame, we are actually falling, so we are waiting for our price to break below this week on our daily time frame. As you can see, once it breaks this our low, then we can continue selling. If not, our advice will let us wait and see how our price reacts. Now we can see on our DXY, as we can see, our DXY had this bullish move, we had this retracement which was a fall, and now we are having this bullish move again. So before we actually consider a buy on our DXY, we would want our price to break our previous higher highs. Once our price breaks our previous higher highs, then and before this our previous higher highs, once our price breaks above it, then it is a good opportunity, our advice, to actually take our buy position. As you can see on our 1 hour time frame, I am now, you can see our higher highs here, you can see it here. So once our price can break above it, then we can continue to go bullish. Else we might possibly see a drop on our USD for the day. So that is my analysis.